see here is you were kind of what I would call a little bit of a trap player, meaning that when you came so far from the inside and then took it over the top, you would come in with a very shut close club face. It wouldn't be shut to the path, but it would be shut in a way that it would produce a little bit of a lower ball flight.
Okay.
So you'd come here, and then when you came over the top, when you came into impact, you can see how shut that club's gonna look when it comes in. And now that we have you a little bit more straightened out, that club's getting in a better position at the top, but when it comes in, that club's not coming in near as shut as it was before. So for a while, it's gonna produce that ball flight because you're gonna have to work with a little bit different hand action coming on the way down. So what I want you to feel like, if you can feel, and I like that you're actually making pretty solid, do you feel like you're making pretty solid contact with it?
On most of them,
On
yes.
most of them? Okay. So that means it's not too big of a transition, which is what I like. So if I hit one kind of the way that you're hitting one now, which is a bit of the over the top and you're used to kind of releasing the hands a little bit, it's going to produce that big ball flight, or that high ball flight rather. But if you make that same swing and then when you get to the top, I want you to feel like your arms are just dropping. So almost I want you to feel like that right elbow is going into your side a little bit. So when you get to that top, that right elbow goes down and you're gonna come in and kind of create that same forward shaft link.
Okay.
So I'll hit one for you here. First thing of the day. This is kind of what you're doing right now that's gonna produce that high ball flight. See how that gets up pretty high, kind of that same cut that you were hitting?
Yep.
But if I can try to get my hands holding off just a little bit longer and feeling that right elbow get into my side.
Okay.
So that was a little thin there, but it's immediately going to take the ball flight down pretty significantly.
Yeah, it did. Quite a bit.